Hey, it's Tuesday of week 5, and I think I have finally figured out how to post week 5. I apologize for that delay. We cover probability this week and counting. Counting is kind of like how many ways can something occur. We end up using tree diagrams and Venn diagrams this week, and there are images of those and examples in Newton. We do not use Excel this week. I also wanted to talk about the week 4 discussion post because a lot of people gave me great feedback about Newton and how they want the course to be set up. And several of the comments mentioned having the Excel directions in a separate form. And so starting with week 6, besides the week 5 key terms, I'm going to have week 6 key terms, and I'm going to have the week 6 Excel commands. And that way you'll be able to find them immediately without having to hunt through the Newton program to find them. So I really appreciate that feedback. I do think that's going to improve the class. Have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. This week's discussion activity is finding an example of probability. There is no reply to a classmate required, but I would love if you read them, and if anything speaks to you, give your classmates some feedback. Have a good week.